Well, I have yet to really study the impeachment complaint, but what I got from friends all over the political spectrum, basically summary of the complaint, mukhang hindi naman siya substantial na complaint. Mukhang doon pa lang sa pag-file baka mamatay na kaagad, no? Kasi alam mo ang impeachment sa lalo sa Pilipinas, hindi naman din tungkol sa substance at how should we say this, hindi siya really about the substantive issues, but more it's a political exercise. Kaya nga sabi nga ni Senator Amy, parang drama daw yung impeachment, no? And so mukhang in the case of the president, it isn't really a substantial complaint. It seems like mas substantial in substance and form, mas maayos yung complaint against the vice president. So yun yung nakikita ko at least, no, na perspective, no. Yung impeachment kasi ano yan depende yan sa dynamics ng House. Right now, medyo although mas mahina at mas maliit yung coalition ng presidente, sila pa rin ang nasa mayorya pangalawa, mas mahirap na ngayon mag-impeach ng public official dahil sa Supreme Court additions dun sa procedure, no. So medyo mataas yung procedural requirement para ma-impeach at hindi lang yun, pati political hurdle rin kasi syempre, lalo in the case of the president, malakas pa yung kanyang coalition dyan.
Yes.
So in both cases actually, it's also hard kasi ang alam ng maraming mga politicians, malapit na 2028, is somebody, VP is leading in the survey, di ba?
Yeah.
So ang sinasabi natin dito, although it's probable na may mapasa yung impeachment, possible siya pero hindi siya probable.
Prof, sabi mo kanina hindi ganun ka-substantial. Yung laman noong impeachment laban kay PBBM, does it mean na merong basehan yung sinasabi nung iba na, teka lang, baka minadali ito para lang dun sa 1-year bar rule
There's always that possibility, no? Pero may maghahabol pa ng impeachment.
Oo nga, may hahabol.
So, tingnan natin kung ano yung abangan natin, no? Yung susunod na kabanata. Pero impeachment is less a legal question here in the Philippines. It's really a political arithmetic challenge.
Pero ano yung nakikita po natin na implikasyon nito? Kasi bukod kay PBBM, meron ding sinasabi na susunod si VP Sara may impeachment din na ipafile.
Yun, mas alam natin yun kasi nga mukhang civil society initiative siya at malaki rin yung may support rin siya sa House, pero hindi natin alam kung kaano kalaki yung support na yon. And of course we also got a preview of it last year, so mas substantial in the case of VP Sara kasi na-establish na yung mga kaso against her. Yun nga lang, yung procedural hurdle na sinet ng requirements, no, is now a hurdle for impeachment na sinet ng ating Supreme Court when they ruled regarding the impeachment complaint in 2025.